Yeah, I guess like the only other thing that I think is worth talking about for U.S. investors buying outside of the U.S. is you're starting to see like this nationalistic sentiment happening with like a lot of countries that have been recipients of remote workers and like the COVID exodus and whatever. Portugal has now put in like a foreign buyers ban, or like they've kind of scaled back their golden visa. Spain has increased their land transfer tax for non-residents. Canada has the non-residents speculation tax in Ontario, or a foreign buyers
Foreign buyers
ban.
tag.
Yeah, foreign buyers ban now. What's your perspective on like what do people need to know in that regard? And are there any ways to kind of like work around? I know in Canada there's a couple of ways, like people can buy outside of CMAs, or they can buy buildings with more than 4 units in it. But are there, like, from your perspective, are there any ways to continue investing in real estate in some of those countries where policy has tried to make it difficult to do that?
Yeah, in terms of finding loopholes, I'm not aware of any where you could avoid this speculation or foreign buyer tax. Technically, yeah, I've seen it really affect our real estate market, because a lot of wealthy investors internationally were pushing demand, which basically pushed down supply and increased prices. Now, when they come out with these taxes and try and ban foreign investors, what's that going to do to the real estate prices? It's going to obviously push them down. The rent that's requested is going to be different. So it's going to impact us overall. But as of now, I don't know any sort of loopholes to kind of avoid that. I do know people who like end up moving. They were non-residents. They moved to Canada. They're not technically a foreign person.